ACF here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Menko. It's a small purse-like thing used to carry small items. So let's start off. All we need for this is a squared sheet of colored paper or pattern paper. The first step in making our Menko is folding our paper into 3 equal halves vertically. Step 2. Make foldings along the diagonals of our square. Step 3. Make a note of the intersection points and fold the side of our square to the points shown. And repeat the same thing from the other side. Step 4. Fold one of the sides of our square inwards. And now, for step 5, we're going to make foldings along the diagonals of our center square. Now, fold the paper on your right inwards and turn the paper. And next, follow step 5 twice. And now, pull the paper on your right and fold it downwards as shown. Repeat step 5 again. And at this point, you can add your small stuff like needles or safety pins. And for our last and final step, we're going to lock our Menko. We're going to do this by folding the adjacent sheets inwards repeatedly. Now pick the 4th triangle up and tuck it inwards as shown. This is a great way to keep all your small stuff safe. And bonus, it's light and easy to carry. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button for more art and craft content. Do let us know how you feel about the video and do share. And don't forget the notification bell.